What we are going to do is we are going to run the same C# application, but we are going to run this application using a remote container apps that is using a GPU and is having the model loaded there. So instead of running the model locally, we are going to run this on the cloud. And we have here the application is going to use, as I said, the remote endpoint. We have NVIDIA Nemotron Mini 4B Instruct as the model there. Let's ask a question. And we have the connected resource there. On the right, we're going to see how in the Azure resource, we started to see that the model is loading and responding. And if we run the application again, and we ask another question like, please, so 2 + 2, we are going to keep seeing the model working with more logs. This is the moment that as a developer, I need to do kind of a mea culpa, and I start to say, okay, this is great. I just hosted the Nemotron model I have locally using Foundry Local, LM Studio, or Llama, and I hosted in the cloud. And that's good? Yes. That's good enough? Probably no. An interesting part about this, as this model is running literally using a GPU. If I go here, I think I can probably run these videos and people won't even know that I am running the videos there, here and more, but using the chat application, this type running using the NVIDIA model. We are going to have an orchestrator that is going to execute in a step. First, in this scenario, we are going to construct the prompt. Then we are do the model inference. Then we are going to do the result packaging and after each one of the steps, the durable function checks point the state. So if the process recycles, it will be able to go back and resume for the last completed activity. That's the difference between a cool demo and a production safe behavior. This is after a couple of seconds, we are going to have the instruction there on the orchestration. And when we have this, we are going to be able to see the steps. What we see here at the right is there it is. That's the orchestration emulator, and we can enter here and start to see the steps. So at the end, what we just seen is the takeaway here is very simple. We can narrate and operate the workflow step by step without losing production rigor. Durable orchestrations give us control, observability, and recovery. GPU give us inference, give us speed where it matters most. So we have the best of the two worlds, put it all together here.
Want to dive deeper? Check out the full episode at the link in the description.